Hi everybody, it's Christina from Card Making Magic. Today we're going to be using items from the Festive Frames collection, and I'm going to use the Snowflakes oval filigree frame and the Special Verses A5 stamp set, and this is stamp set number 1. So my colour scheme for this card is going to be a white and a bright silver card. So today we're going to use this largest die and we're going to cut this 4 times because we're going to make 2 cards and we'll have this pretty shape around each edge. So once you've got 2 of your pieces cut, to decide which way around you want to use your card, and if it's in the landscape position you need to fold it back at the top and then line it back up with the other scallops on the card and glue that together. If you want to use it in portrait, then you need to score it at the top of the oval and again line it back up with the other card, the other scallops, and there you've got 2 shaped cards in different orientations. Now once you've got your 2 pieces glued together, open your card out and see if it will stand. And if it stands, that's fine. But if it doesn't, if it rolls over, then what you'll need to do is on the back of the card, just level it off a little bit along there. So with the next die down, I have cut myself 2 more mats, one in white and one in silver. One in silver is going to go on one card and the other one is going to have the white card. Now with this snowflake die, again I've used the white and the silver to cut them out. Now this will cut a frame for you, which means this centrepiece will come out. But I've positioned my foam tape in such a way that it holds it all together. And I've added the foam tape on there and that's going to stand along there. So with the next die down, which also gives you a filigree edge, I've cut one in white, which will go in the centre of there, and one in silver, and that's going to sit in there. Now from the stamp set I've taken the baubles and the Merry Christmas and I've stamped it onto some white card and then I've cut it out with the smallest oval from the die set. And then for the other one I've taken a little verse which is quite appropriate with the COVID and the lockdown situation that's going on around the world. And this one says, "This Christmas, count your blessings and hold those you cherish close to you." And I've added that to this card and that will sit in there. So I've just coloured in the little baubles with some pencils and we'll decorate this now with the snowflakes that are in the pack, in the kit. So I've cut silver snowflakes and I'm going to add these to the card wherever I think they would look nice. Get some more down. So we'll add one there. We'll add another big one there. Now you can add these wherever you want. Have your dry run first to make sure that you like them. And there you've got 2 cards in 2 different orientations, both done in silver and white. So for the inside of the cards I've used the 2 smaller ovals, the filigree one and the plain one, and I've done a silver background with the filigree edge and a plain white one with a little sentiment on it, and I've used the rest of the snowflakes just to decorate that up. I've coloured the baubles in and on this one I've done the same, but I've just added Merry Christmas and the silver snowflakes just to decorate that up. So here we have the 2 finished cards created with the oval filigree frame, and that's the Snowflakes one. And I've ended up using both sets 1 and 2 of the Special Verses A5 stamp sets, and those are all from the Festive Frames collection. So all my collection is available at CraftStash. So I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you have, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll never miss a video. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.